Hello and welcome to my video presentation. My group's research project revolved around food tourism in Lyon, and when forming our research question, we knew that we wanted to look at how the online representation of Lyonnaise cuisine had affected our expectation for the food and offer in the city. When choosing context to investigate, it was important for us to look at a few different platforms, and to further diversify our research, we decided that we also wanted to look into one case study that was suggested by a local. We thought this was important because we did not want to rely completely on mediated spaces to give us our recommendations, but also tap into what might be the real time experience of eating in Lyon. When conducting our pre departure interviews, we were introduced to the fast food phenomenon French tacos. As the residents of Lyon we were interviewing continued to describe it, and as we slowly recognized that it in no way resembled the original Mexican taco, it became even more interesting and we decided to enter it as our local case study. I decided to do my individual analysis on the French taco case study as I had already done the initial research when confirming it as our choice and was left with a few engaging questions. Why did we not find it in our research when looking into the food culture, while the locals mentioned it as their go to snack, a constant in their eating habits? Why is it not being advertised to the tourist? If in fact the snack was invented in Lyon, how come it's not a highlight in the food tourism industry in the city? Was it considered a part of Lyon's food culture at all? I decided to conduct my online research mostly on social media and specifically on Instagram, as I found that most of the French taco franchises had a strong presence on the platform with regular updates. By analyzing these pages, it was becoming increasingly clear that the franchise's growth rooted in its engagement with the young people of France, their target audience. The funny memes talking about skipping class, laced with French political affairs and football mania, really resonated with their huge follower base. But as the product's identity as an alternative fast food choice for the younger generation became more and more popular, did its history become less apparent? The documentary, directed by Bastien Jens, who was then a resident of neighboring city Grenoble and who had experienced the explosive commercial success of the product in the mid 2000s, does a very good job of trying to trace back the origin of the product and talks about how integrating it to fit into a fast food model had in small ways taken away from the taco, streamlining it to perfection. It was originally an invention of the suburbs of Lyon, with various North African influences playing a role in its conception, and even though the commercialization of the product steered away from the purest version of the snack, everything apart from its name remains French. Why then does it not play a part in our expectations for food tourism in Lyon? Through my psychogeographical research, I discovered that in my virtual drifts mediated by my previous cognitive maps, I did not run into a single French taco restaurant. This could be a false observation as if all the places did not necessarily show up on the map. And interestingly, most of the ones that showed up were the franchises and not the standalone local restaurants that sold the product as part of their menu. The French taco does not make an appearance in the online representation of Lyonnais food we are exposed to, and when we decide to do a more narrowed search to specifically investigate the movement, only the franchises show up, portraying it more as a fast food chain than a product with historical roots in the city. The idea of Lyon being the gastronomical capital of the world builds on the foundation of slow tourism. As introduced by Michael Clancy in his edited series Slow Tourism, Food and Cities, there is a sense of hospitality, care, and an abundance of time associated with the tourist's experience of food, which stands apart from their daily lives. The local sources, the backstage of production, and ideas of tradition and culture are intrinsically linked to authenticity of this gastronomical experience, making it an exercise that helps the tourist accumulate social capital. The French taco, I would argue, is essentially a part of Lyonnais food culture, but it does not fit into this idea of the slow culinary tourist, and so is a miss from the online representation of food in Lyon.